All right, what is up, gents? It's a brand new week, brand new opportunities. We're going to see what's going on in the market today. All right, now, Bitcoin still hovering around 118k. However, we're seeing our altcoins continue to make some gains. And what you're starting to see now, guys, is, I mean, we saw Ethereum go all the way to 3.8k last week, come back down, and be pumped back up to just over 3.8k today. You're now starting to see capital rotation into some of the top altcoins, right? So you're seeing Sol starting to make big moves. You're seeing Doge, Cardano make big moves. And then the occasional small cap meme. I know everyone's going on about Pengu at the moment, but a lot of our large cap coins are starting to get big pushes on their daily candles, guys. And what we're looking for right now for others is 500 billion, right? This was posted yesterday. If we check out where we are now, I mean, the candle is continuing. I think we should get some continuation up to about 400 billion. So that should be a total pump of around 30% for others before we do start to find some big resistance. And what happened last time we had this big multi-year compression, guys? It led to a very quick, sharp expansion. And I believe that is what we're in now, right? We're in this very beginning stage of expansion. Once we do take out these wicks, this could be a very, very big candle for our altcoins. Now, one thing to bear in mind is the fact that we do have this pocket of liquidity for Bitcoin at 115k. We'll check out Bitcoin dominance in a minute to see if that should worry us. But on the 2-week liquidation heat map, 115k looks like it could be filled. And day by day, guys, the Ethereum shorts continue to get liquidated, right? So we do have a big level of liquidations at around 3.6k, okay, just over 3.7k, but people continue to stack their shorts up, you know, going up to 4k. So when we do get to 4k, we should expect some resistance. However, we have been touching on this not once, not twice, not 3 times. This will be the 4th time that we are knocking on the door of breaking 4k and going to new all-time highs. You're seeing the RSI is pretty much reset. We're turning back bullish. Okay, we've invalidated this bearish divergence. So in these oversold zones, we can stay oversold for a little while. And, you know, last time we were oversold, you guys can... overbought, guys. Last time we were overbought, we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think it was like 6 consecutive green candles on the weekly. Okay, so 6 weeks of uptrend. And on top of that, altcoin search terms on Google. This is something that we all looked at on the channel. When it was down here, we said all in this time is a great time to be getting into altcoins or things that aren't really being searched. Now we're seeing the altcoin search terms start to spike. How long have these spikes lasted, guys? Not long at all. Okay, this one was a bit of an outlier in 2021, but they haven't lasted that long. So when we do start to get, you know, 75 or above, going to be a strong sell signal. So when we come to the total 3, I wanted to show you guys this as well. We're in a big sell order block right now. So we had our lovely buy order block on the point of breakout. We had a lower one just below the apex. And where are we going up to now, guys? We're going up to the must take profit zone. Must exit, take profit, must take profit. We have to remember this. Okay, so yeah, it is a little bit low because we're just breaking the previous all-time high. And there will be some coins that continue their moves up that do push the total 3 probably up to the upper areas of this box. But once we do break it, I'm sticking to the plan, and that's going to be the hardest thing. I was having a little think about it last night, right? And at this point in the market, it feels hard to sell. However, if you have a DCA out plan, that makes it a lot easier. If you said, right, once ETH gets to around 4k, I'm going to sell, I don't know, say you got 10 ETH, for example, I'm going to sell 1 of my ETH or 2 of my ETH. Just do it and stick to it. Put it in a ledger away and start to accumulate your profit bags, guys. So the same way that you DCA'd into the market with crypto, DCA your profit bag out of the market. We're getting very, very close to must take profit zone. And then with Bitcoin, I mean, we said before we were going to find resistance at the 1618, 120k. No surprises there. We're now finding support at this buy order block. Again, we do have the previous all-time high at around 111k or 112k even as support. If we do break below this order block, will that happen? I highly doubt it. And then when we come to ETH, look, we've broken this downtrend. We've got a second downtrend in the red here, plus the sell order blocks. If we can blow through that, guys, then we're looking at a pretty sharp jump up to around 4.3k to around 4.6k for Ethereum. One thing to bear in mind, though, we have been going vertical for... how many days is that? Past 28 days. We've been going near vertical. Yeah, we had some consolidation in there as well. But we must bear that in mind. So, starting off the week, this is just a quick little update to start the Monday. We're going to do some altcoin updates later today. But everything's looking good. 3.8k for ETH, 118k for Bitcoin. Others looking really good. Bitcoin dominance continuing to struggle. Again, we've got a big level of support here on this white line. But currently, we're in a strong sell. If we can break this white line, that is going to be absolute fireworks for our altcoins. So, again, subscribe, like the video, post notifications on so we can track this day by day. And I'm going to see you guys later. Peace.